Hey folks, thanks for tuning in. I'm NoCode, and you're watching the TheNoCodeTech on YouTube, and thanks for tuning in. Anyway, hey, how you doing? I thought today I'd do just a quick little video on my HT collection, right? Collections of HTs, handy-talkies, walkie-talkies, whatever you want to call them for the amateur radio there. So, you never have enough, right? And thought it would be an interesting little video to go over all the ones that I own. So I got them all out here, and we'll take a talk, okay? So first off, I do have a small collection of the Baofeng UV5Rs. I have 4 of them. Well, I had 4. This is my first one. My first radio, my first amateur radio was a Baofeng. I love the Baofengs. I have nothing bad to say about them. The one thing that I did learn rather quickly was, I don't know if you can see that very clear, but the on this one, my very first one, the, what is that called, SMA connector on the top wore out, and now it's loose. It's wiggly waggly. I've taken it apart. I've done it's messed up. So because I was always changing it, right? Take this one off, put that one on, or whatever. So I do recommend, if you're gonna rock the Fang every day, to get a BNC adapter so that you can BNC on and off. They're great. This one I have a extendo on it. I only have the 3 left. I gave one away on a testing thing. Like, dang it, flab it. I gave it away, so I gave someone a Fang. But either way, so I got 3 Fangs. I do also have a FT-60. Fangs, we'll go back to Fangs real quick. 2 meter, 70 centimeter. Great little radios. I keep this one that I use. I keep a shorter, I think it's like a Motorola or something. I keep a shorter little rubber ducky up on there because they do get very easily overloaded. It's not a super head or anything. It's like digital or something. I don't know, but they're cool. I like them. They're great for if you're gonna go run and do something and you're, afraid you're gonna drop it or break it. You don't want to spend big bucks on a nice radio and then drop it on concrete, bust it to pieces, and be like, no way. Or if you're going kayaking or something, you grab a Fang, because if you lose a Fang, oh man, they're like 25 bucks, right? No biggie. This is my newest one that I have received yet. It's the FT-60, 2 meter, 70 centimeter. This one does run on double A's. There's a whole double A thing with that. These you can get for the Baofengs. You can get an extendo pack like this that cracks open and you can put dubs in it. I should do that. That's what I should do. That's what I'm missing in my life. Dubs on a Fang. So back to the FT-60. Very rugged. Been around a long time. He's got a little charging port on the side there. Yeah, I don't know. I really like it. This is one of my favorite ones. It does come with SMA, but I got the BNC adapter on there. It comes with standard, I think that's a nickel metal hydride. So that's a good radio. I like it. It's nice. Single line display, whereas you just get the 1 line there for you, whereas the Fang has the 2 line display, right? So that's cool. What else do I got over here? We'll get this one out of the way. It's just a crap CB. It's like a Midland something or other. I use it for like when I'm traveling or whatnot or whatever. I talk to some CB folks because all RF is beautiful. So don't be hating on CB. This one does run on dubs. I think it's like 9, some ridiculously large number of dubs. But yeah, it's all right. It works. I think it's 5 watts, or it's got a high and a low, so no big deal. What else do I have? I have a pair of Motorola GP68s. This one is VHF FM only, and this one is UHF FM only. They're great little radios. I think there's like 20 channels. The single line display, you cannot like label the channels or anything. Just channel 2 or whatever number it is. But they're Motorola's. They're sturdy. Dropped it many times. You can still get batteries for them. They're kind of hard to come by. Nickel metal hydrides usually with these, which, yeah. But I've been able to find at least like on a couple of places online where you get newer batteries for them. Walmart surprisingly has them online. That's where I got these ones from. I got this one back in 2020, and this one is the one that it came with. But Yeah, I have to sneeze real quick, so hold on. Woo. Bless me. All right, what else do I got? Ah, I like this. This is a Kenwood TK something or other, I believe. What the heck even is this? Kenwood TK, there it is, 2180-K2. Also with these, you can get newer lithium-based batteries. This is just a battery it came with, which doesn't really last all that long. I got this from, or for, like volunteer and public service work and stuff of that nature, because it's rugged AF. Like, this radio is not messing around. It has zones, so if you're familiar with zones, think of it, it's a lot like group memories in a Yaesu radio. I think it does trunking, but I don't really do much with trunking. It's VHF only, which is cool. Turn it on over here off camera, because I think the battery's deader than doornail. But anyway, so yeah, it's a VHF only. It's my public service radio. It's what I grab when I'm doing like parades or volunteer work or something of that nature. What else do we have? Whoosha! TYT something or other. Did an unboxing of this one. How do you even... Come here. Oh, okay, yeah. This is the TH350. I got this one because it was a cheapo purchase. It's 2 meter, 70 centimeter, and 220. It's the only 220 capable radio that I have. I believe, if I remember correctly, where'd it go? Over here. This can receive 220, but no talkie-talkie on 220. So it's a cheapy little Baofeng type, like, I don't want to say it's similar menus and stuff. It's a good little radio for a bang for your buck. You know, if you're starting out, I'd say if you're on a huge budget or a small budget, I don't know if I'd recommend it, but it's sturdy. I mean, I dropped it a couple of times. It's fine. I'd still go with something a little nicer if you're starting out. But that's the TYT. That's one I have. Then over to the Yaesus. I got the FT-4X. Man, do I love this little radio. Gee golly, I like this radio. It's so small, right? Like, here it is compared to a Fang. It's smaller than a Fang height-wise, and it's about the same, you know, in other dimensions. But yeah, it's just so handy. It really is. And I know a lot of people don't like it, controversial opinion, but I really like this angled PTT that Yaesu's been doing here. They don't do it on the 60, but for the 4 and then a couple other ones, they got that angled PTT. Oh man, do I like that. I live in Wisconsin, and it gets cold, and I wear gloves, and that is, for gloves, it's amazing. So it's just, excuse me, just a little 2-band. It does 2 meter, 70 centimeter. A wonderful little radio. I like it. And it's got the, I don't know. It's a good radio. I like it. Nothing bad to say about that. I do also have the FT-65, which is like the big brother of this, right? The big brother. So let me turn them on off camera to make sure they don't say something dumb. So the screens are different. This is more like a calculator. This is a dot matrix. But this one, the FT-65, does have the option to purchase an extendo battery. So you got the battery's bigger than the stock one, sits flush in there. So this is the extendo, which I like to have. The batteries are not compatible between the two. I saw one place on the interwebs that said that. That's freaking lie. But yeah, no. And again, with these ones, I have added the BNC adapter on there, because BNC, all of the things. I'll set that over there. We're running out of places. And I also have a Yaesu FT-70D, which is a great little radio, once again with the BNC adapter. It's a 2-band, 2 meter, 70 centimeter. A lot of people complain about the battery on this one, say, oh, the battery dies and this, that, and that. I've not experienced that. I really haven't. And I don't really charge it up too much. My biggest complaint with this one is when you buy it, it doesn't come with the drop-in charger. To charge it, it comes with, is this the right cable? Yeah. Here. It comes with this, which I have slammed into the back of a power supply over there. And this is how you charge it, and it's slow, and it takes a while to charge. But once I have it charged, it holds the charge. A lot of people complain about the soft PTT button on the side. It's not like a on, off. It's like a press and hold to turn on. So But that's my that's it. That's the radios I have for HTs. That's what, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. That's 12 radios. So you never have enough. You always have more. I would really like to get my hands on, what is it, the Yaesu VX6 or something to that effect. I want one of those really bad. But anyway, hey, yeah, short video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. You have a wonderful day. Bye-bye now.